Hey guys, this is Miss Lynn, and I wanted to give you a little video to introduce you to our final project in computer literacy. If you go to our course content, it should be in a separate unit. This semester it's in Unit 6. And inside there you will find 3 assignment folders. One for the Word final project, a folder for the Excel final project, and a folder for the PowerPoint final project. So you're going to turn in 3 separate files into 3 separate folders. Each assignment is worth 35 points, and they're all based around the movies. So if we take a look at the Word final project, inside the folder are the instructions, and this is also where you will submit your Word document. If you look at the instructions, you are going to create a flyer promoting a movie. It needs to be one of the movies listed here, and it needs to include all of these elements. So you're going to start a new blank Word document and pick the movie you want to focus on and create a flyer. Now, your flyer needs to be 1 page. You want to make sure it's a 1-page document, okay? And you need to have all of these elements. So you need to have at least 3 images. So remember, you can click on Insert and go to Pictures, Online Pictures, and you can search for images related to your movie or popcorn or the movie theater, okay? So you can do your image search right inside Word or PowerPoint or Excel, okay? So you're going to have 3 images. You need to have the name of the movie, the pictures specifically about the movie, plus 2 more pictures. You want to give your page a background and a color, 1 word art and 1 drawing shape. List the ticket prices and use your creativity, okay? So for some of the specifics, if you go to the Design tab, you can see you can choose a background color. So Design tab, page color, right there. And also on the Design tab, page borders, you can pick a border for your page. So the box border is a good one, or the 3D border. You can choose your line style, or you could even get fancy and use maybe some of these image borders. Okay. Word art would be having some text. Let me delete this picture, it's in the wrong spot. And use highlighting your text and then coming over here to the Home tab and the font group. This is word art. So you can use an example here just to add some special effects to your text. Again, your document needs to be 1 page and it needs to have all of the elements outlined in the directions. For the spreadsheet, the second piece, this is in a separate folder. Inside this folder, we have the instructions again, but then there's also a spreadsheet that you're going to start with. So you're going to open up the spreadsheet, this movie spreadsheet inside the assignment folder, and then follow the directions to add to it. So, for example, you're going to save this in your computer literacy folder as movies with your name on it. Let me save that real quick. And then you're going to just follow the directions. So if you look at the directions, it is asking you to to Merge in Center. You're going to give it a title. Merge in Center is on the Home tab right here. You're going to add some information, some labels, and then you're going to add some formulas. So that gives you an example of what the finished spreadsheet should look like. Remember, when you go to insert your formulas, for example, I think the total goes here. On the Home tab, there's an auto sum button, and in this drop down you can choose sum, average, count, max, min. I believe all the functions you need to use are right there. So you can click the auto sum button, just make sure that it's selected the correct range, and click the green check mark, and it plugs in that formula for you. If you were to do it for average, it would be the same thing. You just have to reselect the range to make sure it's only adding up the data for those individual movies. You don't want your total included in there. You're also going to insert a chart. So you'll be selecting your data, insert, I believe it's a pie chart. And then you can edit your chart and add, change the label, add some of the elements that your chart is asking for. So that is the spreadsheet portion. Again, follow the rubric, make sure everything is in there. The third piece is a PowerPoint presentation. You're going to open up PowerPoint and create a new blank presentation. This is what the finished product looks like. It's 4 slides, a title slide, a slide about your movie. Slide 3 is going to have some more creativity, but also you're going to have a screenshot of your flyer in there. And then slide 4 is for your references. So everything for the presentation is also outlined in the directions. Which are located inside the third assignment folder for the PowerPoint. So again, a 4-slide presentation. It tells you exactly what your slides need to have. Remember, for transitions and animations, for transitions, you can select all of your slides and go to the Transitions tab and choose the one that you like. And if you want to animate an object, for example, you could select this box of bulleted text, go to the Animations tab, and you can have each one come in one at a time. So 3 projects, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They all are uploaded into their own assignment folder. Each piece is worth 35 points. If you have any questions, just give me a call or send me an email. You can also reach out to me in class. Thank you.